5 things that you should do with your personal finance. Number 1, get rid of bad debt. Kailangan po makalabas po talaga tayo sa mga utang na hindi nagbibigay sa atin ng kita because ito ay nakakadagdag ng stress. Number 2, live in simplicity, not in duplicity. Sa totoo lang, aanhin mo ang napakaraming pares sa sapatos. Iisang pares lang naman ang ating mga paa. Bakit? Pugita ka ba? Number 3, start investing while you're still young. Kung ikaw ay bata pa, mas maganda na matuto ka na mag-invest right now because you have time in your hands. Especially in investments, it's never about money, it's about the power of time. Number 4, learn how to protect your money. Kahit magaling ka mag-create ng money, mag-handle ng money, mag-invest ng money, pag hindi mo pinotektahan ng pera, ay nako, may scam ka lang, ubus lahat ang iyong pinag-ipunan. And last but not the least, generate multiple sources of income. Name me one billionaire na iisa lang po ang negosyo at pinagkakitaan. Wala. They have multiple sources of income.